happy.
Some speakers, Xbox and t-shirts. I've been good like every single day. Looked under my tree, my box was empty. Santa made an enemy that day. What the fuck? Done being jolly,
Happy.
Think it's time we settle up the score. Fill up the wish list, let's cause some mischief. Grab my keys, I'm heading out the door.
Ay, caramba! Mom and Dad are dead!
I've been good for way too long.
Ay, caramba!
Gonna get this shit on.
Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho.
I was good every day, but he didn't give a fuck. This year,
Ho, ho, ho!
back of the truck.
Merry Christmas!
Back of the truck.
Happy holidays.
I was good every day, but he didn't give a fuck. This year, put the top on the back of the truck. Santa's banging on the back of the truck.
Merry Christmas!
He's watching TV, he doesn't see me. Going in the bag out of the
Merry
sleigh.
Christmas and a beautiful new year to everyone, and always to have a wonderful holiday season planned for Tinto on Love 900.